Good morning, student. Today it's our English language period. See, in the last period we have started with the topic that is antonyms and synonyms. Okay, so just writing the name. Antonyms are the opposite words. We have learned about them in the last period. We have completed our exercise A. Okay. So continue with the exercise number B. So it's on page number 131. 131 page number. Okay. So what is synonyms? See, a green color box is there. Just going to read there and you have to pay attention in your book. Put your finger on that line. Okay. Synonyms are the words with similar meaning. So, what are this called? The words with similar meanings. So, similar meanings means meaning is same. मतलब कि उनका word का मतलब जो है वो एक ही होता है. भले ही वो word अलग हो. The words are different, but the meaning is same. Okay? Here example. For example is given seize, and the other word for that is stop. Stop, everybody know? Most of the time we use stop, but most probably we use cease. So, this is the same word for stop, means similar word meaning. Enough, sufficient. Sufficient and enough means काफी हो गया, बहुत सारा हो गया. That is known as enough, and the same word as for similar word for that is sufficient. So, we are doing the exercise number B. It's on page number 132. Replace the underlined words with the synonyms and rewrite this sentence. So, some sentences are given here. So, sentence number 1. See. Quick, hide this gift before father sees it. Sentences. See, you have to read it properly to understand it. Quick, hide the gift before father sees it. So, underlined word here it is hide. What is the underlined word? That is hide. Before father sees it. There is an exclamation sign. So, the underlined word hide. Hide यानी क्या? छुपाना. So, the similar word for hide is conceal. What is the word? Conceal. Hide, conceal. So, next example, second sentence. You may speak, but, see a comma is used, but your speech must be brief. So, what is the underlined word here? Yes, it is brief. So, for this underlined word, we should know its meaning. So, meaning for brief in Hindi is Samshipta. So, answer for this is short. The similar word for brief is short. In answer, you have to write short. Third. Have you made enough food for everyone? This is a question. So question mark end. Underlined word is enough. So what is the another similar word we can use for this? That is sufficient. What is the word? That means your answer is sufficient. See here. What they have told to rewrite this sentence, but the space is not there between the sentence, so we are writing the answer directly at the end of the sentence. But when you are writing your notebooks, you should write answer like this. See, for example, I am telling you the first one, quick. Here it is hide, no? Instead of that, you have to write conceal. This give before father sees it. Okay? In this way, you have to write in your notebooks. But in the textbook, just put the answers at the end. Similar words. Okay? It is up to number 3. Now, continuing with sentence number 4. Number 4. After walking for 5 miles. How many miles? 5 miles. The boys were very. V-A-R-Y. After walking for 5 miles, the boys were very. So, what is the similar word for this? Tired. Tired यानी क्या? थक जाना. The same word, very का meaning भी क्या है? थक जाना. तो the other word for this is tired. Again, you can say worn out. One word more you can say for similar, that is worn out. Okay. Number 5. Sentence number 5. The author means writer of this story. The author of the story is unknown. Unknown means you don't know. पता नहीं कौन है writer. The author of the story is unknown. So underline word you can say it is unknown. Similar word for this, anonymous. Anonymous or unnamed. You can add one more word for that, that is unnamed. The same word for the similar word, unknown, anonymous, unnamed have a same meaning. Okay. Next, sentence number 6. I am looking for an empty flat. Empty यानी क्या? खाली. इसमें कुछ भी सामान नहीं है. All the furniture. See what's the meaning of the sentence? He is looking for the empty flat to keep all the furniture. मतलब वो एक खाली फ्लैट देख रहे हैं जिसमें वो अपना सामान रख सकते हैं. तो underline word here you can say it is empty. So what is the similar word for empty? Vacant. You can write an answer VACANT. Vacant is also having the same meaning, that is empty. The other word you can see free. खाली जगह is free. Okay. Next, number 7. The crowd dispersed. If you say this word in Hindi, तितर बितर, यहाँ वहाँ हो जाना. Okay, dispersed. Do you understand तितर बितर? That is not at one place, here and there. Show was over. So when the show was over, the crowd dispersed after the show was over. The underlined word here you can see dispersed. So the other word for that you can say that is scattered. बिखर जाना. Or a simple word you can say that is spread. Most of the times we use the word that is spread. Okay. So just see the sentence. After walking for 5 miles, the boys were weary. So the similar word for weary is tired. The author of the story is unknown. So unknown means not known to anybody. So the word for anonymous. 6. I am looking for an empty flat to keep all the furniture vacant. Vacant यानी क्या? खाली. Okay. So the word similar word for empty is vacant. The crowd dispersed after the show was over. Scattered. So in the sentence you can say like this also. The crowd scattered after the show was over. In this way you can make 2 types of sentences. Okay. Now continuing with the number 8 sentence. Sentence number 8. Up till now we have completed from 1 to 7. And we are going to continue with the sentence number 8 on same page. That is page number 132. So number 8. My parents will never permit. Permit means permission. Anumati. If we say it in Hindi, it is anumati. When you go somewhere outside, you have to take permission of your parents. Without their permission, we don't go outside. That is called as permit. You ask your parents whether you should go out or not. That is the meaning of permit. Late at night. Meaning of the sentence is, my parents will never permit me to stay out late at night. So the parents are not going to give the permission to stay out at night. This is the meaning of the sentence. The word underlined here it is permit. As I told you, permit meaning it is in the anumati. So the word for that similar word you can say allow. The parents will never allow me to stay out late at night. So one another word you can say grant permission. Okay. So the word you can use more that similar word that is grant also for permit. Okay. Number 9. The calculation. CALCULA. Calculations of this calculator. So where you do your calculation? Yes. Or calculator are always correct. Means the calculation when you do on the calculator, yes, 100% they are correct. They give us the correct answer. So underline word we have to see. What is that? That is correct. So the word for that correct, if you say it in Hindi, sahi. Sahi यानी right. That is known as correct. So the other word you can write for correct is accurate. What is the similar word? Yes. So when you write say the sentence, how are you going to say? The calculation for this calculator are always accurate. बिल्कुल गलती नहीं, उसको बोलते हैं accurate. Okay. So in simple language we say it is right calculation. Okay. So word right is you can also use there. Number 10. When will the match start? मैच कब शुरू होने वाली है? What is the question? When will the match start? So underline word here is start. If you say it in Hindi, the meaning is कब शुरू होने वाला है, that is should. So what are the word you can say similar word for that? Yes, it is commence. COMMENCE. So it's little bit new word for you, but the similar word for start is commence, or the simple word you will know that is begin. शुरुआत करना. Start, begin, commence. So we have completed all the 10 sentences of exercise B. So we are going to just revise what we have written in this exercise. So I will be reading only answers for you. Okay. So when you place the right answer instead of this word, similar words, how the answer is there. Okay. Quick, conceal this gift before father sees it. Number 2, you can speak, but your speech must be short. Have you made enough food for everyone? So this was a question. So answer should be, have you made sufficient food for everyone? 4. After walking for 5 miles, the boys were tired. 5th, the author of the story is anonymous. 6. I am looking for an empty flat to keep all the furniture. So instead of empty, what word we are going to use? That is vacant. So answer should be, I am looking for a vacant flat to keep all the furniture. Number 7. You have to look in your textbook. While reading, your attention should be in your textbook. So if we are understanding which are the words we are spelling out. Number 7. The crowd scattered after the show was over. My parents will never allow me to stay out for a night. The calculation of this calculator are always accurate. How is the calculation? It is quite accurate. When will the match commence? So these are the answers which you are going to write in your notebooks, and just the correct words in your textbook. So moving towards exercise number C. Now look up the dictionary and find the meaning of this word. Remember to look for a single word as a meaning. So some words are given. Just through the dictionary you have to find the similar words meanings. Okay. Find out the meaning of these words. Just not similar, sorry. It is just the meaning of these words. So what you have to remember? Remember to look for a single word as a meaning. So the answer should be in just a single word, not in a sentence. Okay. So see, we are going to see what are the words given. So you should complete this exercise B in your notebooks as well as textbook. Same page we are doing, exercising on same page, that is 131. So, question number C. What is the first word? Prohibit. Prohibit means क्या? बैन कर लेना, डिसअलाउ, अलाउ नहीं करना, परवानगी न देने, that is prohibit. Okay. So dictionary meaning you can write prevent. Write the meaning prevent, forgive. So this may be the more meaning. So next one is abandon. ABANDON. अबंडन यानी का सोडून देने, छोड़ देना. ओके. DESERT desert. DESERT desert. Third number, depart. निघून जाना, निकल जाना, that is depart. See, when we go to railway station or airport, a departure is there from where we leave that place. निघून जाना, that this word you can hear at that places. So depart. So depart means leave, छोड़ के जाना. Next, number 4. Capture. The meaning for that is capture. C-A-P-T-U-R-E. Capture. So remember, while writing there, you should be knowing the correct spelling so as well. The last one is comprehend. Comprehend. समझ लेना. Comprehend is समझ लेना. The word for meaning for that is understand. Many a time teacher use the word. Did you understand? तब आपको समझ गया क्या? So that word for that is comprehend. So in this way we have completed exercise B and C of the topic. Which one is that? Topic antonyms and synonyms. You have to complete it in your notebooks and textbook. Thank you, students.